What is the value of electric potential at a distance of 9 centimeters from the point charge 4 times 10 to the power negative 7 coulomb? It's known that the value of electric potential of a point charge can be calculated using a formula kq divided by r, whereas k is representing the Coulomb's constant, which is given as 9 times 10 to the power 9 in the question, whereas q is representing the charge, which is given as 4 times 10 to the power negative 7 coulomb, whereas r is representing the distance between a charge, which is given as 9 centimeter, which means it's equal to 9 times 10 to the power negative 2 meter. So let us apply the values. So the electric potential will be equal to 9 times 10 to the power 9 times 4 times 10 to the power negative 7 divided by 9 times 10 to the power negative 2. When we are simplifying the similar terms, we will get the electric potential as 4 times 10 to the power 4 with a unit of volt. So the correct answer for this question is option D.